Hi, my name is Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Grills. What we're showing you today is Napoleon's PRO-665 brand new freestanding cart model. Now what we wanted to do is kind of give you some close-up shots, show you some breakdowns of the features of this barbecue. We're really excited about it. We've had some great customer feedback with it. For a cart model, it's loaded with features. It has a ton of really great things that are really going to make it great for you to use at home. And it's very reasonably priced for what you're getting as well. So we'll kind of go over some of the basics for you now. So we'll start with the lid itself here. It is an all stainless steel 304 stainless. The lid is double lined. So what that helps is helps with temperature control. It also helps with discoloration, helps with warping or rusting in any way. And that is a lifetime warranty. You do get a chrome handle all along here, as well as the sides. We'll give you a close-up as well. All of these sides are chrome as well, which is kind of a cool feature. You do get your temperature control here, so you can see exactly what the temperature is on the inside for good, even cooking. So here's all your controls here. You can see it's loaded with a lot of controls. What it is we have 5 main burners, so all the big knobs are going to be your 5 main tube burners. Then what we have is this is your infrared side burner, which we'll show you what that looks like. Here we have our rotisserie rear burner. And then here are these two. This is kind of cool. This is your igniter for your smoker tray, which is pre-built in. And then the smoker tray itself is here. It's disguised as a knob. And then this pulls out, and you can see it's filled with wood chips. So you just slide that in, put your soaked wood chips in there, and then this is the knob that actually ignites your smoker tray. Now most of the time the pedestal on a barbecue is going to be kind of an afterthought, but this pedestal and cabinet in here is loaded with features, and we're going to show you these. First we'll start, these are all 304 stainless drawers that are here, so we'll open these up for you. Now, one of the really cool things is it does have a light for underneath. So your drawer, you're going to get your cabinet drawers here, and that is lit. And then this, if you're on propane, it comes in propane and natural gas. It does have a propane pull-out drawer. So switching out your propane is very, very simple. This is your left side tray here. So this has a stainless steel lid, and you can see it lifts up into your ceramic infrared burner. And again, this is all standard. So you do have a stainless steel grate here. And then this is adjustable, so you can set it up higher. You're going to want to set it up high when you're cooking red meats, so you get a nice sear without it being too hot. And then on a lower setting when you're using it as a true side burner. This is your right side shelf. So this again, you have a stainless steel lid. You do have a cutting board here, and then also a plastic ice bucket that lifts out, so you can store your beverages in here. And so that's kind of another cool feature. Now we'll get into the best part of the grill, and that's going to be, of course, the inside. We'll kind of give you a look at it here. This grill does come standard with interior halogen lights as well as blue LED lights, backlit knobs. And we'll show you here, you're going to have an on-off switch here, and that turns on the interior lighting for grilling, as well as gives you that blue LED backlit knobs. You can see it's a very bright blue. I'll give you a close-up shot of that. Here's the blue knobs here. You can see they definitely add a lot of accent lighting and definitely help out with nighttime cooking quite a bit. So with the grill, what you get standard is you get a rear rotisserie burner. So you can see the infrared rear burner there. And then you get the rotisserie, which we've turned on here, so you get the stainless steel rod. You get 4 forks, and then you get what this is called a counterweight. So what that does is if you have a heavier side of the meat, like the breasts or something on your chicken, that offsets that weight, so it turns very evenly and gives you a nice even cooking. And so that's kind of a nice feature, is you get that upgraded rotisserie kit standard with your barbecue. So these here are your stainless steel wave rod cooking grids. This is going to be the actual cooking surface that you're cooking on. So you can see these are very heavy duty, they're very thick in diameter, and so what that does is it makes them very durable. And there's basically 3 of these, and these are really heavy duty. So now we've taken out our stainless steel wave rods. The next component of the barbecue is these are going to be your grease diverters. Now what these do is divert grease away from your actual stainless steel burners. This does two things. It helps with the longevity of your burners, and then it also helps divert grease to reduce flare-ups, so you have even cooking and even temperature control. Now we have our grease diverters out. These are the burners themselves. So this is what it looks like when we take it apart. You can see we have 5 tube burners as well as our smoker tray. So basically 6 burners in here altogether, 7 including the rotisserie, and then 8 if we include the side burner. So we have 8 burners altogether in this barbecue. So that's our summary of the PRO-665 by Napoleon. Again, this is a brand new product. We're going to kind of give you some screenshots here to go over all the features that we just touched on to help remind you of what you're getting at home. Another feature that we failed to talk about with this barbecue is that it does come pre-assembled from the manufacturer, which is really a nice touch because you don't have to spend forever assembling it with how many parts there are. The only thing you have to do is assemble the left and right side burners or side shelves that screw on, but that doesn't take much time at all. We'll give you some looks at the specifications here so you can see it's going to fit on your patio. Again, this barbecue is available in natural gas and propane. And one thing that we never talked about too is that this barbecue is available as a drop-in or a built-in. So if you're going to be building it into your own cabinet at home, you can do that as well. So you can check out our website if you have any questions at www.blazingembers.com, or you can call or text our sales staff at 805-952-5440. And we really appreciate you checking out our video today.